2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, trip computer, MP3 player, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.